What's up, guys? I'm a little dust out here, man. Down here, cut my mama yard, and I want to make this small little video about my Zero Snapper Pro zero turn 48 inch deck, and most times when I'm cutting grass, it iodine, and I know why the iodine, because the carburetors, I think you're getting about stopped up a little bit, cause you can hear it now. You turn around. How you doing? And I got a solution for that. I got some Seafoam. And what that Seafoam do is it go in there and break everything, all the slug and trash and stuff like that, and loosen everything up so it can run smoothly. Like I'm gonna put some in there now. I'm gonna run it for a couple of, I say about 30 minutes. Don't put the whole thing in there. Inside the game. I did it last year, did the same thing. When I did that, it normally lasts about a couple of years before I do it again. Anybody having the same problem with their lawnmower, that's all it is. I'm gonna run it for, like I said, 30 minutes. Like I said, I'm already through cutting the grass and everything, but what I'm gonna do, I gotta cut grass at the house, and I'm gonna let it, and I do a part 2 to this. Like I said, it's Thursday right now. Like I said, this lawnmower like 17 years old, and it's still rocking and rolling. But like I said, I get back with you when they run there for about 30 minutes, and I do another smaller video, let you see how the engine starts, if it serves it or not. Back again, guys, for part 2. Just got to finish cut my grass. I'm gonna let you see it, but it's too dark. Let you see it. I cut my whole yard. It take around about 4 hours to cut it and weed eat. But getting back to the lawnmower, I put the Seafoam in there. See right now, I don't hear no iodine, no salt or nothing like that running through. I got it on low, right here. And wide open. Got on slow. I don't hear it die down like before. Right there, the Snapper Pro, 48 inch cut. Like I said, 16, 17 years lawnmower. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just buy another engine for it. Like I said, I'm gonna just buy another engine for it. They got a Kawasaki 19 horsepower. said, that Seafoam do the job. So anytime y'all got like installing out of this bed, like going up and down, just get you a can of Seafoam from Walmart. I think about $5 or $6. So I just did a small little video to show you that you ain't got to worry about, you know, take it to the shop and see what's going wrong with it. And just, you know, put a can of Seafoam in there. It should last about, I think about 2 seasons before you had to do it again. All right, guys, this is your boy GP signing off. Like and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that notification bell, and I'll let you know upload the video to YouTube, keep you informed. But like I said, guys, see Nick go around.